Okay, so this is the last type of factorization. So it's factorizing expressions in the form x cubed minus y cubed and x cubed plus y cubed. So that's the difference of two cubes and the sum of two cubes. So there are formulas to help us out with that, so we'll be using them in these questions. So example 1 says factorize a cubed plus 8b cubed. So we'll start with that. Part 1 is a cubed plus 8b cubed. So again, it's this. Well, I can see basically that it's the sum of two cubes. So the formula that I'm going to be using for that, so we'll just remember it: x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus y bracket x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay. So in order to use a cubed plus 8b cubed, I just have to see what was multiplied to give me a cubed. So what was multiplied by itself to give me a cubed. So I'll rewrite that before I use the formula, and that's a to b cubed plus what was multiplied by itself 3 times in order to get that, and it was 2b. Okay, so then off I can go, and I literally just fill in my formula after that. So my a is my x part and my 2b is my y part. So that's a plus 2b bracket a squared minus a by 2b plus y squared, which is 2b to be squared. Okay, so just to tidy it up then a little bit, a plus 2b inside the bracket a squared minus 2ab, it's just a little bit tidier, plus 2b to be squared is 4b squared. So that's a cubed plus 8b cubed factorised is a plus 2b a squared minus 2ab plus 4b squared. And then the difference of two cubes, so we have a different formula for that. So again, 64c cubed minus 125d cubed. So the formula then, so again, it looks very similar to the one we used earlier on for the sum. So the difference of two cubes then, x cubed minus y cubed equals x minus y outside the bracket, x squared plus xy plus y squared. So very similar to the last formula we used, and we're going to use it in exactly the same way. So again, I go back to my question, 64c cubed minus 125d cubed, and I ask myself what multiplied by itself 3 times will give me 64c cubed, so that would be 4c, and then minus in the middle, and what multiplied by itself 3 times will give me 125d cubed, and that would be 5d. Okay, and then I can go ahead and use my formula. So it's x minus y, so 4c minus 5d, close the bracket, and then I have 4c to be squared plus x by y, which is 4c by 5d, and then I have plus y squared, which is plus 5d to be squared. So again, tidy that up. You've got 4c minus 5d, nothing happening there. 4c to be squared is 4 by 4, which is 16c squared, plus 20cd, plus 5d by 5d, which is 25d squared. And again, that's 64c cubed minus 125d cubed factorised. It's 4c minus 5d bracket 16c squared plus 20cd plus 25d squared.